Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is my dog. I really wanted to include her in this video because today is basically the last full day I'm gonna be spending with her, so she's just gonna be popping in and out. But anyways, today I just wanted to film a quick little video because I am actually packing up to leave to my college town tomorrow. I wouldn't say I've been procrastinating, like I have everything ready that I'm gonna take with me, but I just kind of want to reorganize everything so it could be easier for me to like carry in and out of the house. Before I forget, do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will have it somewhere on the top of the screen. Yes, my giveaway is still going on until the end of this month. I wanted to give you guys a full month to enter, so please enter, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more college related or lifestyle type of videos. Let's just go ahead and get started with the video, right? Let's go. She's scared. I got some water with me because packing is always just a whole workout in and of itself. Before I actually do start like moving things around, I actually want to do two things. So the first thing I want to do is turn on one of my candles. In case you're wondering, this candle is the one I'm leaving here, but this one is the rose water and ivy scent. I honestly think it's really refreshing. I do think it's a great little like spring or summer type of scent, and I'm gonna leave it just right here in the corner of my table. You guys, actually this plant, I'm gonna be showing it to you guys when I do like a house tour or like a room tour in my college house, but I'm gonna be taking this one with me. It's so pretty. It's like one of those snake plants, and I got it from, where did I get it from? TJ Maxx, I'm pretty sure. So cute. My little salt lamp is right here. Like I told you guys, I do want to light it up there, kind of like that. And actually this is the side that I told you guys that I have things that I really need to organize because I'm gonna be taking all of this with me. Basically I have food over here. They're like a bunch of dry foods from Trader Joe's. I stopped by yesterday. I got these super good pita chips. I love having these with hummus, but I'm gonna buy the hummus when I get to my college town. I actually did stop by Bath and Body Works. I got 2 fall candles, and I actually also did get like 3 different fall scented hand soaps just to have with me. I do have some fall leaves because they were like 40% off, and then the final price was like $9. I was like, why freaking not? My mom put an extra bag here with some toilet paper, and then I have a bunch of things that I actually have in one of my back to college hauls. Go check it out. Okay, so this is how things are gonna work. So I'm gonna pack some things. I have this bag I got from IKEA. I'm obsessed with it, honestly, and like it's only like $1 and like something cents. And I also have this like plastic container that I've had for the longest now. I don't want to buy any more plastic containers because like I just feel like that's a waste, but I want to try to organize things in here. And then obviously I want to keep the bigger stuff in their own boxes, so like my Keurig will stay in there and my NutriBullet will stay in there, just those type of things. But I feel like these are the things we could organize in here for sure. Okay, so I actually forgot to tell you guys that I'm gonna clear out my IKEA Alex drawer. My parents are actually gonna be, okay, that is a disaster, but my parents are actually gonna be bringing it on Saturday just because it's not gonna fit in my car and it's really heavy, so my dad's really gonna have to help out. But I am gonna clear it out today. For the most part, all I have put in here is just like toilet paper, bathroom necessities, my candles, and my favorite vitamins. I get these from Target, and I truly do feel like those help, so I'm just gonna leave those items in here. I am gonna try to see if I could fit all of my Trader Joe's things into one bag. I'm really not sure if that's gonna happen because they do a great job already in packing stuff, but I guess I'll give it a try and see. Okay, so clearly that did not work out. I literally tried to fit some of the Trader Joe's items into the other bag so it could all fit in one bag. But that did not work out. Like, they do seriously such a good job of packing your things like equally. So I guess I'm just gonna like, you know, bear with that and just take both of those Trader Joe's bags with me. While I'm at it, I actually also stocked up on some pods for my Keurig. I got this like vanilla flavored one and this creme brulee one. But I actually got these two from Marshall's. Every once in a while you find them for a good price at like Marshall's or even like a TJ Maxx. And they usually have flavors that you can't really find at like a Target or something. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. I honestly need to be so careful with this. I actually got this to put like my sugar in for my coffee, and I think it just goes perfect with the whole like fall theme. So actually what I might do is just kind of rewrap this one in the paper that they gave me, and I might keep this one in the bag as well. I got it from TJ Maxx in case you're interested. And then for my throw blanket, I'm also gonna try to just throw this, like, honestly I might throw this one in the IKEA bag. Yeah, that'd be smart. Okay, so plan B, I want to throw this, and I also got some towels from Target, and I actually got us like a new shower curtain. So I'm probably just gonna throw all of those things in the IKEA bag. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna kind of roll it up like this. I also found this like super cute like bath rug with these super adorable tassels. I feel like I've been seeing this for a while at Target, but I don't know, I just never got it. And it is actually from the Threshold, so you say it. This brand. I just think it's so cute for the bathroom, and I just love this little detailing right here. So again, I'm just gonna like fold that up, put that in there. And actually, something I found from Target literally like, what, 2 days ago, were these Opal House towels. Right now, I don't know how long, so don't like quote me on this, but I don't know how long Target is gonna have this sale on the Opal House towels. Opal House is not cheap either. So for them to put their towels on sale for $5, like, I flipped out and I got 2 of them. I did get 2 just because when one might be washing, I could just use the other one. Definitely, if you're in need of some towels, stop by Target. Cutie! She's stretching. She stretches really weirdly. All right, you just sneezed on my foot. Anyways, so I actually just put all the towels and such in this IKEA bag. I honestly really recommend it. I actually wanted to show you guys these prints, thinking of putting this one like in the bathroom. I think it's gonna be great to look at when you get out of the shower, even when I'm like getting ready in the mornings. And then I got this one. I think I'm gonna want to put this one like in the kitchen. It just says autumn and it's so cute, and I could switch it out like every season as well. So another thing I'm actually gonna go ahead and do right now is put my Keurig in its box, and then put my Ninja in its box as well. I made sure not to throw away their designated boxes just because it'll make it a lot easier to kind of pack things up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay, so if you guys actually watched my last like college shopping vlog at HomeGoods, I actually got this from there. I'm definitely planning on having this in the bathroom. I want to keep some toilet paper down there. So for now, I'm just gonna kind of like keep it like this. I did take 2 of the toilet paper tissues that I had in here and I put them in here, and it actually did help a little bit. Like, it's not as high anymore. But yeah, I'm just gonna like kind of move this over here. My bed is looking a little bit hectic, so what I'm gonna do right now is kind of just like move everything that's ready, like this and my Keurig and maybe this, out of the way and put it all in that corner. This is the corner where like all I have to do is pick up the items and just like take them out. I actually decided that I am gonna take this like wooden type like basket to put my dirty laundry in my college house, but I obviously need to do this laundry first, and either way I could pack some things in here as well. It's funny because like it feels like I've done a lot, but in reality I've like done nothing, right? Are you sad that mama is leaving tomorrow? Hello? Okay, so the next thing left to do is just to kind of come in my closet, choose what clothing items I want to take. You guys, I actually just organized like my whole entire closet and it's looking just like so much better now. I don't know if I mentioned this by the way, but all the clothing that's like a maybe or like a yes, I'm gonna put it in the front. So I'm gonna start over here in the front, but I mainly have like a bunch of crop tops that I like wore this summer. I am gonna take a few just because like every once in a while I might go out with my friends or something and it's like nice to have stuff like that. Like this one would be so cute. I think I am gonna take this like all black like kind of turtleneck sweater. I don't want to have a lot of winter things, but I do want to have a few just in case because Georgia weather is honestly weird. So for the most part, I think I chose out everything that I'm gonna take with me. It's basically just this little section right here. I have a mixture of like a few kind of like light sweaters, and then I definitely have some like clothing that I could wear for fall since fall is coming up really soon. I have a few little cozy sweaters that I could even wear probably indoors while I'm cuddled up and stuff. T-shirts that I could wear for class as well. Honestly, I'm happy with what I chose out. I feel like it's not a lot, but it's not a little bit either. Right on this rack, like I mentioned earlier, I have things that I want to take as well. So everything combined should be like the perfect amount. By the way, I'm obsessed with like these little Adidas shorts that I got. That's basically what I'm going to be living in for the next few weeks. So yeah, this is actually the luggage that I'm going to be taking with me. I know it's kind of extra to bring luggage with you to college, but honestly, it's so useful. Even when I was living in the dorm, I would bring this one with me just because it would be so easy to take things like in and out of my dorm. But for now, I think I'm just gonna pull this out and put all of my clothing in here. I'm sure it'll fit. Like I've never had any issues with things not fitting before. And then I also need to go in my bigger like drawer and kind of make sure I have like underwear and just like necessities like that. But yeah. So for the most part, everything did manage to fit in my luggage. I have like 2 hats that I am gonna take with me because every once in a while I have like really bad hair days. I'll probably stick those in one of those pockets right here. But the only things that didn't fit were like these 3 little sweaters. But I think I'm just easily gonna put these in the IKEA bag. I am also gonna take some of these hangers with me. The next thing I think I am gonna do is put all of my shoes in my little wooden laundry basket. Okay, what is my dog doing? I don't even know. I actually decided to stick all of like my white hangers in this Trader Joe's bag. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put these over here. These should be honestly more than enough, probably even a few extra. But for the most part, I'm pretty much done packing. I'm actually gonna go ahead and end the video off here just because I'm planning on filming a move-in vlog into my college house. I'm so excited for you guys to see what everything comes out to look like. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you haven't already, enter the giveaway, and I will see you guys very soon since tomorrow I'm gonna be filming that video.